I greet you according to your time. Today, I want to share with you some simple tips that will help you to build trust in your marriage. Trust is needed in marriage if the marriage must last, if the marriage must be what it ought to be. You need trust. Your husband must be able to trust you. Your wife should be able to trust you. When there is trust in marriage, you have peace of mind. So number one tips is that you must be transparent. To build trust in your marriage, you've got to be transparent. As a man or as a woman, be open and be honest with your spouse. You don't need to keep secrets from your spouse. For you to build trust, you must be open. You must be transparent. When you are open and you are transparent to your spouse, you are on the road to building trust together. Number two, consistency. For you to build trust in your marriage, you've got to be consistent, both with your words and your actions. Not that you are saying something and your actions is saying something different. No, both your words and your actions, they should be consistent. They should agree. They should agree. Your word, and not that you are saying to your wife, I love you, but your action is showing a different thing. You are being emotionally bound to another woman. You are not being consistent in that way. So be consistent with your words and your actions. Show our commitments through your words and through your actions. Number three, accountability. There can be no trust without accountability. When you as a husband or as a wife, you make mistakes, because we are liable to making mistakes. We are liable to making mistakes. When you make mistakes, accept it. Accept your mistakes and apologize. Then you move on. But when you make mistake and you are trying to hide the mistake, you are trying to dodge, you are trying to explain out the mistakes, then you are not going to be able to build trust by doing that in your marriage. So for you to build trust, you have to be accountable. You have to take responsibilities for your actions, for your decisions. Number four, reliability. Be reliable and consistent in your actions. Demonstrate that you can be counted on as a man, as a woman. Be reliable. If your husband discover that as a wife you are not reliable, he will find it difficult to trust you. And when your wife find out that you are not reliable, you say a thing, you do a different thing, then she will find it difficult to trust you. So to build trust in your marriage, you have to prove to be reliable. Number five, spending quality time with your wife, with your husband. You know, some women, they are so busy with their career. They are so busy with other things. They do not have time for their wife. They do not have time for their children. Likewise, some men, you only find them at home when they want to eat. Immediately they finish eating, they are out from the house. If you want to build trust in your marriage, you've got to spend time with yourselves. Spend quality time with yourself. You and your husband have time to discuss issues that borders on your home, that borders on the children. Have time. Create time to have fun. Create time for yourself to discuss heart to heart. In doing so, you'll be able to build trust. Number six, learn to manage your conflict constructively. There is no marriage that is free of conflict. Conflict is part of marriage. So, but when you have conflict, when you have misunderstanding, handle it respectfully. Handle it respectfully. Don't disrespect your spouse. When there is misunderstanding, handling your misunderstanding well will be able to build trust. We enable you to build trust in that marriage. Number seven, forgiveness. It is very important. For you to build trust, you learn to forgive your spouse. At times, you find husband and wife keeping malice, staying in the same house, but keeping malice with each other. It is not good. You'll not be able to build trust. But when misunderstanding happen, when your husband offends you or you offend your husband, find a place in your heart to forgive, whether she apologizes or not, whether he apologizes or not, it is good to apologize when you offend your partner. But even though the apologies did not come, forgive all the same. In doing so, you'll be able to build trust in your home. Thanks for watching this video. Please, I want you to like and share the video and let me know your thoughts on how to build trust in your marriage.